Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out UTest, a platform that promises you can earn money by testing websites, apps, and software. But is it really worth your time? Let's dive in. What it is. UTest is an online platform that connects testers with companies looking for feedback on their digital products. The main purpose is to help businesses improve their software while giving testers a chance to earn money by finding bugs, reporting issues, or providing user feedback. How it works. You start by signing up for an account and completing a profile with your skills, devices, and experience. UTest then matches you with testing opportunities. You can test websites, mobile apps, or software, submit detailed reports, and earn payouts based on the complexity of the test. The platform also offers badges and levels that unlock higher-paying tests over time. Who it's for. UTest is ideal for freelancers, students, or anyone looking for a flexible side hustle in tech. You don't need to be a professional QA tester, but attention to detail, patience, and clear communication help you succeed. What people are saying. Many users appreciate that UTest is legit and pays on time. They like the flexibility and variety of tests available. On the downside, some testers mention that the pay can be low for certain tasks, and competition can make it harder to get high-paying tests. Pros. Flexible work-from-anywhere platform. Wide variety of testing opportunities. Legit payouts through PayPal. Cons. Pay varies depending on test type. Some tasks can be repetitive. Requires attention to detail and patience. Recommendation. So here's my recommendation. If you're looking for a flexible side hustle and enjoy testing apps or websites, UTest is worth trying. Just don't expect it to replace a full-time income and focus on improving your tester profile to access higher-paying tasks. And that wraps up my UTest review. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more honest reviews.